everyone, this is Baby Liu. You can call me April. Today I would like to introduce my web application, which is called YelpCamp. It's a full stack web application built from scratch. So let's get started. So what's YelpCamp? YelpCamp is the web application for discovering and sharing campgrounds. It's like the Yelp for campers. Users can browse through the various campgrounds, view details like pictures, locations, add comments, and even submit their own campgrounds. So that's my YelpCamp, the homepage. So key features. For the YelpCamp, there's the few key features. The first one is user authentication. So users can sign up, log in, and access their personal features. And campgrounds listing. Explore a wide range of campgrounds with detailed information like name, description, price, and location. Another one is campground creation. So registered users can add new campgrounds to that platform. Comments and reviews. You can leave comments and reviews on the campgrounds to share your experience with other people. Campgrounds ratings. Users can rate campgrounds to help others make informed decisions. And search campgrounds. Users can search campgrounds on the main page based on the location. I put a question mark here because it's part of my challenge for my coding. Mappings and geocoding. So you can use Mapbox API to add map to each campground and each show page. For all the technology I use, for the front end, I use HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, EJS, Bootstraps. Backend, I use Node.js, Express.js. And database, I use MongoDB to store in campgrounds and user data. Authentication, I use Passport.js for secure users authentication. For the software, I use Cloudinary to store in the pictures and management the pictures. Mapbox, I use Mapbox to add map to each campground's locations. And for the deployment, deploy the app, I use Heroku. So let's take a look about my web application, YelpCamp. So here's the homepage. Welcome to YelpCamp. Just jump right in and explore our many campgrounds. Feel free to share experience with other people. For the navbar, we have homepage, campgrounds, and log out. Oh, because I already logged in before, so let's log out. Alright, so here at the homepage, we have login button and register button. So let's take a look about the campgrounds. So for the campgrounds, this is the map box. I have and it's all campgrounds here. I have 200 campgrounds here. So you can take a look. When you click the button, you can get more details about each campground location. So when you still you haven't logged in or registered yet, you can only review a browser each campgrounds, the information, title, location, and the author. And here is the map, and you can use this marker to zoom in, zoom out. So let's log in first. I use the Bobo's name. 1, 2, 3. So we can see, if you log in, I see this, let's review this campground because it's submitted by Bobo, so we can add it. Let's take a look. We can edit this campground, and location didn't change. For the error handling, see the campground's price, it has to be number, right? If you put a string here, if you report an error, just say, oh, campground's price must be a number. So we have to put a number here, 12. We can maybe delete this picture, update. So only one picture show up, and that's the location of Michigan. So you can leave a review to say good. Okay, so that's your review. Because you leave the review with the author, you can delete too. Okay, that's the other review I created before. And since you already log in, you can create a new campground. Let's see, Cold Spring Camp. Cold Spring is a town like in upstate New York. Cold Spring, CMP. Okay, location, New York, New York. Price 12, description. Choose the file, choose the picture, maybe a different one. Here, all the people here. All right, add campground. So you can add a new campground. Here's the location, New York, and the name and location. And description, New York, submitted by Bobo, and price, you can add it or delete like before. And leave a review. Yeah, that's it. And let's back to the campground page. So that's it. When you create new campground, it's definitely at the bottom, so I won't show that. So you can log out. Say goodbye. That's almost all the function of this web application. That's it. And for the challenging part, there's the challenge part I mentioned before, like the map. I mean, technically, if you click each location, it will like narrow down to each one, like this one, right? So when you click it, it's supposed to be a link to. It's supposed to link. When you click it, you will go to this campground location, like the show page. But for me, I couldn't put it on because I think there's I can't know why, because my code for my show page, I don't know, I index EJS, because I don't know, I can't use the EJS function like this without this without the string. Like if I use like EJS like this, so when I save it, we will technically have a space here, so I can't get all the data. I can't get the data about campgrounds. So I have make a new variable which is called campgrounds data and make a string here, so I can use this EJS function, and then make another variable called campgrounds and feature get JSON parse all this campgrounds data, so I can use it for my show page and index page. So I think that's a reader, but I can't fix it. So if anyone know that how to fix it, or the other way to add this location or get all this data, please let me know. That's the challenging part. Another is error handling. I already solved it. Error handling, like this part, like the price part we mentioned before. So if you change the price to, let's log in first. Still use Bobo, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Let's edit this page, right? So for the price part, campground price, it has to be a number like we showed before. If you put like a string, they will show campgrounds must be a number. That's the result we want. But I think for Code Steel's code, they put here error handling. The logic is if you put here like it's not equal to production, so it will show all the details about your code stuff. So you don't want to do that. So you just make it a equal, so it only show up about what's wrong about this your code. It won't show the details about which location, which lines. You don't want other people knows about your code structure. So that's it. So that's it. That's the whole part about YelpCamp. I think it's a good practice if you're a new beginner about web developer and you want to practice your skills, what you learn. It's better way to build something and to see what you know and what you don't know. You know, it's like if you want to know more details about this, you can check Code Steel's course online and to start to do this project by yourself. So I think it's a good practice. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.